Okay, what I have here is a 2003 Honda Pilot, and I got a hole in my filler neck tube. It goes to the gas tank. How I found out was that when I went to pump gas and gas started pouring all on the floor, and I traced it to a hole right here, which my gas, it drained pretty much all the way down or evaporated through this hole. This hole is a pretty good size hole. It's almost the size of my index finger here. And I'm currently using duct tape to keep it from evaporating anymore. I haven't filled gas since, and I don't want any contamination or the adhesive of the duct tape to be melted or dissolved and get into my tank, my gas tank. Then it will go and contaminate my injection system, fuel injection system. Okay, I'm gonna take it apart. Okay, I got it out. So there's the fuel tank right there, and that's where the other end goes to. Okay, and here it is, and that hole, see, it's the size of my index finger. And so with the duct tape, what I did, I used foil on the inside there to block that, just in case I need to fill gas or something like that. And this right here will prevent the adhesive of the duct tape from getting melted and dissolved by the fuel, and it'll go down into the gas tank, and then ultimately down into your fuel injectors and contaminating it, and it will be a very costly repair. So the tools you're gonna need is this Phillips screwdriver and the clamps that are already on there to remove the clamps, and then to remove the tube you just use this pair of channel locks or some sort of pliers. Okay, and then so I got this right here, and that's the part number, and got it from HondaNow.com. I think it's HondaNow.com. I got this for like $23, and then you gotta pay shipping, and it's a genuine Honda part. And let me see, here's something you need to know. See, that's genuine Honda tube right there. See that lining, that gray lining? Yeah, that's to prevent the fuel from dissolving your regular hose that you might buy, you know, and you said, oh, I don't need to use genuine parts or OEM parts. Well, you might end up dissolving the inner lining of the tube, and all that will get dumped into your fuel injection system. Not a good thing. So yeah, best to buy the genuine OEM stuff. And like here, you can see, even in this old one, you can see there's a gray lining in that one. See? So, alright, I'm gonna put it back together. Okay, there you have it. So it's the new tube it's in. It's called a filler neck tube, and it's not the main filler neck tube. Okay, so sometimes you go to the part house, the people there might think it's the main filler neck tube that goes to your gas tank cap there, and that's expensive. That's like around $700. This here, you know, you can find it at the parts house. I think The one I went to was around 40 something dollars, but they didn't have it in stock, so I bought the one online instead. So installing it, it's better to install that end first than this, okay? And then when you crank down the clamp, make sure that it kind of goes back to, ooh, my hand got powder on it. It goes back to the original mark right there. You can see it, because you don't want to under tightening it, and you don't want it to come off while you're driving. Okay, that's it. Same over there. I mean, it's nice to remove the tire first, you know, jack stand. Yeah, but in an emergency, I think you can go in from this angle, you know, working underneath the car and remove it. If you're a slim enough person, you can crawl underneath the car and work on it. Okay, all right, bye-bye. Thanks for watching.